The future is electric. Why switch to EVs? The shift. The world is changing. The way we move, the way we commute, and the way we interact with our environment is undergoing a massive transformation. As we look toward a sustainable future, one solution stands out: electric vehicles. But why exactly is the world shifting to EVs? Let's break down the total benefits.
Environmental impact. First and foremost, the environment. Conventional gasoline vehicles are major contributors to carbon emissions and air pollution. By switching to an EV, you are making a direct positive impact. EVs produce zero tailpipe emissions, which means cleaner air in our cities, and a significant reduction in the greenhouse gases that lead to climate change. It's not just a car, it's a commitment to a healthier planet.
Economic savings. Secondly, let's talk numbers. Owning an EV is a smart financial move. While the initial price tag might seem comparable or slightly higher, the long-term savings are massive. Think about it. No more trips to the gas station. Charging your vehicle at home is a fraction of the cost of refueling with petrol or diesel. Additionally, EVs have fewer moving parts, which means no oil changes, no transmission repairs, and significantly lower maintenance costs over the life of the vehicle.
Driving experience and technology. Beyond the environment and the wallet, there is the sheer joy of driving. Electric motors provide instant torque, giving you smooth, silent, and incredibly responsive acceleration. Modern EVs are also packed with cutting-edge technology, regenerative braking systems, and advanced safety features, making them some of the most comfortable and safest vehicles on the road today.
The choice. Switching to an electric vehicle isn't just about following a trend. It's about choosing a cleaner, smarter, and more efficient future. Whether it's for the environment, your budget, or the advanced driving experience, the choice is clear. The future is electric. Are you ready to make the switch?